Hi, I am Dr. Thomas Nechupadam from Nechupadam Dental at Marine Drive, Cochin. Today we will talk about forwardly placed teeth. As an orthodontist, that is the most biggest complaint that comes. It's part of smile designing. We are talking about smile designing. The teeth that are forwardly placed is actually the biggest concern all across the world, or most of the time, especially in India.
Build your brand globally. Make your venture a success. Unique Times, Premium Business Lifestyle Magazine.
In India, most of the people have forwardly placed teeth, and we mostly correct it. And what are the different types of correction methods? I'll talk about all the methods in detail in coming videos, but I'll talk about a general how to correct part of the smile design. Because we have different ways to correct this problem, especially if you are a small kid or an adolescent or even younger patients. The best treatment that is available is orthodontics. That is the braces, or you can go for Invisalign, you can go for clear aligners and things like that. It is a longer process. It takes some time to move the teeth backwards and things like that. This will allow to have a better bite, a better smile, and also correct the lip postures also of the teeth. Especially when you sleep, most of the time people keep the lip open. If there is an incompetent lip or the tooth is forwardly placed, then your tooth is open or your lip may be open. Or even when you sit down somewhere, even if you are relaxed, most of the time they keep their lip in an open position, which is not very aesthetic or which is not very good looking. So what has to happen? The teeth has to be moved backwards. How can we achieve that? If there is enough space between the teeth, and if the teeth is forwardly placed, then we can actually move it without any trouble, because we can use the space and take it backwards. Why is the tooth coming forward? There are different reasons to it. Some are genetic, some are because of the habits, like tongue thrusting or keeping the sucking the thumb and things like that, which is happening in the young age. And there are other reasons like periodontal issues and things like that, which are actually pathological, which can also bring the tooth forward. So all these things can be corrected with braces or Invisalign or clear aligner or things like that. How can we do? What happens when you move the teeth backwards is basically you put a pressure on the periodontal ligament, put a pressure on the tooth so that it moves continuously and moves backwards. So along with that, there are other things also has to be done. There are people which are having gums also placed along with the tooth, which is actually forwardly placed. So there are special techniques wherein you can move the tooth and the gums backwards. You have another option is to go for a surgical method, that is an oral surgery. In a surgical method, if you are an adult patient and if you have a forwardly placed teeth along with the gums also forwardly placed, then what we can do is a surgical correction, and then you can take the teeth backwards. This is also another way of doing it, but it is much more it is a much more elaborate procedure, or it is actually a much more invasive procedure. What other things can be done is basically to correct the tooth using crowns and bridges and things like that, so that, or even veneers or preparation of the tooth and taking it back, or even the length of the tooth, if it is reduced, then we can actually take the forwardly placed teeth backwards, or it can actually look as though it is moved backwards by correcting the size and the shape of the tooth using crowns and things like that. So these are the broader ways how to take the forwardly placed teeth backwards, so that you can have a much better smile. This will actually allow you to actually keep the lip pursed most of the time. The lip can be kept closed when you are relaxed also. Some people cannot stop smiling, or they don't want to smile, but at that time, but they'll have to, if it is forwardly placed, they cannot close the teeth as though they are smiling all the time. But that is not very good for your gums. It is not good for your oral hygiene itself. So it is much better if you can keep the forwardly placed teeth backwards, so that you can keep the lips closed and also keep the oral hygiene very good. So come what may, what is the technique used is actually according to your age, according to your problem, whether it is gums and the tooth which is actually forwardly placed, or even the age of the patient. If it is, even if you are at an age of 50 years or 60 years or 80 years, you can still correct the forwardly placed teeth backwards and take the teeth backwards using any of these this thing, or there are preferential according to the doctor's views, because the doctor will decide what is best for you, or even you can also give some suggestions if you would like to, especially people who are at an elderly age doesn't like to wear braces most of the time, or if you can go for an Invisalign or a clear aligner, it is much more easier. Some people want it really fast. You can even use a crown to correct one or two forwardly placed teeth corrected, or even multiple forwardly placed teeth corrected using a crown and things like that. So these are the many ways to correct it, but as I show on the photos and things like that, it can be corrected, and it has to be corrected to get a much better smile. So if you want any more suggestions on things, please make sure that you give me as a comment. You can actually put in your comment this thing, or you can even contact me on the phone number which is actually given, and if you can send me the photos and ask me what all are the different ways to correct your specific teeth. That will be all helpful. Please put comments or if you can put your phone number, I can actually speak to you, and then we can find out what is best, and by sending your pictures and things like that, that is also possible. So please make use of this platform to use all those things. You can actually share this video to some people who are actually having the forwardly placed teeth, so that they'll understand various methods how we can take the forwardly teeth backwards. So I'll speak about each and every procedure in detail in the coming videos. So please keep subscribed so that you will understand with the newer techniques and newer methods in detail in the coming videos. So please make sure that you keep in touch. Make sure that you can send me emails, you can send me WhatsApp, you can send me you can connect me on Facebook or something like that, and also speak to me if at all you have a dental problem. So keep watching, keep smiling, make sure that you spread the smiles across your friendship groups. Thank you very much.
Time won't wait for you. Technology can't be redefined. We are ready to start the game. TQ Watches, your style icon.